Okay, starting.
Look at this bunch of Play-Doh in this bucket. Oh, I know. Hey guys, welcome back to another video in Vicky's channel. Say hi. Say hi. So she's right there, and today we're gonna be reviewing Play-Doh. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh.
Sit down.
Bye.
So today we're
What a
gonna
big
review some
news.
Play-Dohs. Alright, we're gonna stack them up so it can be easier to see. It's gotta take forever. Okay, so here's a stack of Play-Dohs. We're gonna start with this purple. Oh, look how you're not even concentrating.
Yes, I am, bro.
Okay. So this is a purple, but doesn't look like a purple.
It looked like blue, but it looked like sassy pants.
So it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. So we're gonna get a little piece of it.
And don't waste all of it.
No, let's go get a little piece. So put that in the bucket. Now we're gonna do a little thing. So here is a piece of Play-Doh. Nice. Yep. Okay, now let's put that back in the container. So these are little Play-Dohs, and you have a Play-Doh station thing, like one of those places for Play-Dohs. You can definitely use these. So we got this pinkish thing. I don't know what. I'm saying things like this yellow, this blue, this orange, this pinkish. Oh my god, I found this pinkish, this oranges. Oh my god! I said, okay. This orange, this blue, this purple, this pinkish, pink, light green, dark green, and yellowish green. So here is the bucket of Play-Doh.